Hi guys, this is Austin doing a video. Don't know, just doing a video until my dad comes back. It's not gonna be very long, but still. Shall I take you outside? Say what? Say what? Okay, I'm taking you outside. Just going out to chill. Say what? Say what? What the? Where were you? I'm gonna show you my car. Not actually mine, my dad's Toyota. So this is it. Say what? Say what? I'm about my beard. You give it a bit. Say what? Say what? Lots of people have this car, you know. Say what? Say what? My business. Business. Say what? Say what? I'm about my beard. Say what? Say what? So when I get him, party, 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 party. So when I get home, I'm gonna send this video to YouTube. My dad's still not back, but still. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a good day and bye.